The Enforcement Directorate has summoned Bollywood star Aishwarya Rai Bachchan in connection with the Panama Papers investigation. The expose revealed that several prominent personalities in India had floated companies in tax havens. According to the report, the multi-agency group set up by the central government has put 426 Indians under scrutiny. MAG, which was investigating the leads from the 2016 leak, detected more than ₹1,000 crore in black money. In July, Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan claimed that he had been offered ₹1,000 crore on behalf of Shehbaz Sharif to drop the Panama Papers case against former Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif, who was also named in the case. The Supreme Court of Pakistan tried Nawaz Sharif, disqualified him for dishonesty, and ordered corruption cases to be filed against him and his children. Two years after the initial leak of the document, another leak of the Panama Papers was reported. Indian nationals whose ties to offshore companies were confirmed in the new leak included Shiv Vikram Khemka, Sun Group patriarch Nand Lal Khemka's son, actor Amitabh Bachchan, Jahangir Sorabji, the son of former Attorney General Soli Sorabji, DLF Group's KP Singh and his immediate family, Anurag Kejriwal, the former Delhi Lok Satta Party leader, Naveen Mehra of Mehra Sons Jewellers, Hajra Iqbal Memon, wife of underworld don Iqbal Mirchi. An SIT consisting of officers from ED, Income Tax and other agencies is probing the Panama Papers case. The Panama Papers are an unprecedented leak of 11.5 million files from the database of Mossack Fonseca, the world's fourth largest offshore law firm. A German newspaper obtained the documents from an anonymous source. The newspaper made them available to the International Consortium of Investigative Journalists. They were then shared by ICIJ with a wide network of international partners, including The Guardian and the BBC. The Panama Papers pertain to leaked documents that indicate fraud and tax evasion by numerous individuals and businesses across the world. 12,000 of the fresh documents are linked to Indians. In the previous leak in 2016, over 500 Indians were named in documents from Mossack Fonseca. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan's name was on the list of 500 Indians named in the massive leak of 11.5 million tax documents revealing their secret overseas dealings. Mossack Fonseca, a Panama-based law firm, provides services including asset management and incorporating companies in offshore jurisdictions such as the British Virgin Islands. It manages offshore companies for an annual fee. The company runs a global operation. Its website has a global network of 600 people in 42 countries with franchisees around the world. It operates in tax havens such as Switzerland, Cyprus, and the British Virgin Islands. The leak is one of the biggest in history, larger than the American diplomatic cables leaked by WikiLeaks in 2010 and the classified intelligence documents that Edward Snowden provided to journalists in 2013. There are 11.5 million documents and 2.6 terabytes of information were obtained from Mossack Fonseca's internal database. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel, The Vocal News, and don't forget to like, share and comment. You can also follow us on Facebook and log on to our website www.thevocalnews.com for latest news updates.